accredited over 59 years of experience, Vise has drawn the path of national infrastructure with projects that impact the life of millions of Mexicans. We are leaders in infrastructure development, renowned for our reliability, response time, financial solvency, and constant innovation. We are determined to transform our environment in benefit of our country. We have participated in the realization of over 3,000 projects, from urban planning to massive highway construction works, bridges, dams, airport landing strips, and much more. In the concession sector, we develop infrastructure throughout public-private association plans in the main highways in our country. 100 million vehicles travel on our finished highway projects every year, and we operate over 1,200 kilometers with high-performance standards on highways. Currently, Vise participates in outstanding public-private association projects, including the freeway in Obregón City, MIR Guadalajara-Colima, MIR Querétaro-San Luis Potosí, as well as others with the mission of strengthening the national infrastructure. We are committed with the environment. HISA, our environmental company, is dedicated to the recollection of solid residue and special waste handling, as well as the design of sustainable projects, urban cleaning, and residue handling. We are committed with the development of infrastructure that benefits all of the Mexican people. Vise, everything is possible.